Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pizza in a home oven. First, let's start with the foundation, your pizza dough. Begin by combining warm water, active dry yeast, a touch of sugar and salt. Then, gradually incorporate bread flour and olive oil, mixing until a soft dough forms. Knead this dough for about 7 to 10 minutes to develop its elasticity. Finally, allow it to rise in a warm, oiled bowl for approximately 1 hour, or until it has visibly doubled in size, preparing it for the next steps. Now that your dough is ready, let's focus on the delicious toppings. A simple, uncooked sauce made from crushed tomatoes, garlic, and Italian herbs works wonderfully. Gently stretch your dough into a 12-inch circle, ensuring a slightly thicker edge for that perfect crust. Apply a thin, even layer of your homemade sauce, followed by about 4 to 6 ounces of shredded mozzarella cheese. Then, add your preferred toppings, distributing them evenly, but remember to leave that outer 1-inch crust clear. Achieving a crispy crust in a home oven is all about high heat. Preheat your oven to its maximum temperature, ideally between 500 and 550 degrees Fahrenheit. Place a pizza stone or an inverted baking sheet on the lowest rack and let it heat for at least 30 minutes. Carefully slide your assembled pizza onto this hot surface. Bake for approximately 8 to 12 minutes, or until the crust turns golden brown and the cheese is beautifully melted and bubbly. Keep a close eye on it for perfection. Once your pizza emerges from the oven, resist the urge to cut into it immediately. Carefully transfer it to a cutting board and allow it to cool for 2 to 3 minutes. This brief resting period helps the cheese set and prevents toppings from sliding off. Then, using a sharp pizza cutter, slice your masterpiece into 8 equal pieces. Serve your homemade pizza right away and savor the incredible flavors you've created in your own kitchen. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.